So, March 13th, 2025, and this is going to be day 248 of consistently helping people build consistency. Hi, my name is Laksana, and I'm here to give you guys practical guide on how to be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, literally anything. And I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that, okay? So here's the thing. I'm pretty sure you've heard about people telling you if you want to be achieving stuff, don't only set goals but also set daily personal target. Okay, so maybe like you want to go to some specific university, taking the admission test, and you want to pass the admission test. Not only that, you should dream about it, you should also create daily goals on what are you going to be doing about it, right? So maybe like, yeah, the grand goal is to get to university A, and then the step by step goal, like the daily goals is to be studying for like at least 1 hour every single day. That's the example. And people tell you to just like write that thing down on a paper and basically just, put it down on your wall. I put it on your wall, okay? Stick it on your wall. Well, I think that's good, okay? But if we really want to be consistently sticking to that plan, I think we need to be doing something more. Okay, so the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are also going to be writing down the reasons, okay, the reasons why we want to go to that university, okay, and the reasons, right, the reasons need to be something that really deeply touch us, okay, so something, maybe something emotional. And the thing that we want to be doing here is that we are going to be searching for that one thing, one or two thing that really, evoke something inside of us every single time we are being reminded of it. It might be, your future, your family, or maybe your loved ones, okay? Okay, so for example, oh yeah, every single time somebody reminds me of my parents, my family, my loved ones, I kind of know that I must log in. Every single time I saw some quote on Instagram about reminding me of how life is not permanent and I'm going to die one day, I know I must log in. I should not waste my time. Okay, so find that one thing that really clicks, right? Reminds us to basically log in. Okay, and then the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be writing that thing on the paper, right? On the same paper. And then we are going to be reading, right? Reading that paper on a day to day basis. Okay. So basically, the thing that we are doing here is that we are creating an emotional obligation, right? Emotional obligation to actually do that thing on a day to day basis. And also, we remind ourselves our reasons. What are the urgency? What is the urgency why we need to do that thing? Okay, so even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, when we read the paper, we are gonna be reminded, right, of our reasons of, yeah, you know what, even if I don't feel like I'm motivated today, I'm still going to be doing this thing because this is something that's really important for me. This is so important that even if I don't feel like I want to do that thing on this day, on the day, I'm still going to be doing it because it's really important for me. I need to log in. Okay. Okay, so that's how you actually be consistent at doing positive things even on the days when you are not feeling motivated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord. Thank you. Bye bye. And for today's date, authenticity post, today's March 13th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a big candle post last 24 hours. Thank you.